Good morning, students. 7th standard maths. We have started chapter number 12. 12.1 and 12.2 I have told you in last videos. Today we will start exercise 12.3. In 12.1 and 12.2 we have found perimeter. In this exercise we will find area. What is area? For example, any figure is given. This is a square or rectangle, you can suppose any figure, any closed figure. Surface occupied by the closed figure, that is called the area. This full surface, that is called the area. Perimeter was that only the outside total length of all the sides. That was the perimeter. Total surface occupied by any figure, that is called the area. Some formula are there of area. First is area of rectangle. Area of rectangle, that is length multiplied by breadth. Area of square, side multiplied by side, because in square all the sides are same, so its area will be side multiplied by side. Then area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is equal to base multiplied by height. For example, this is a parallelogram. Its area will be base. This is base multiplied by this is height. That is called the area of parallelogram. Area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 base multiplied by height. For example, this is a triangle, this is base of the triangle, and this is height of the triangle. Its area will be 1 by 2 multiplied by base multiplied by height. These four formula are there which we will use in this exercise. First question. First MCQ, in the adjoining figure, find the area of crossroad. Means this, for example, this way figure is given. Area of this crossroad we have to find. Total length given 120. This is given 120 meter and this is given 200 meter. And breadth of this road given 2 meter. This is also 2 meter and this is also 2 meter. We have to find the area of only this crossroad. Firstly, we will take this one road that is in shape of rectangle, whose length is 200 meter and breadth is 2 meter. Area of rectangle, or you can say area of road 1. Area of road 1, that is your road 1. Here you can write road 1. This is your road 2. Area of road 1 is equal to, what is the formula of area of rectangle? Length multiplied by breadth. It means 200 multiplied by 2, that is 400 meter square. Next, now area of road 2. Area of road 2. See बच्चे, this is your road 2. Its length is 120 meter and its breadth is 2 meter. 120 multiplied by 2, that is 240 meter square. What will be then total area of road? This road area plus this road area. But this area is count 2 times, which middle area is there, crossroad, that count 2 times. So 1 times we will decrease that area. How you will decrease? For example, this area, this crossroad area, that count 2 times. What is area of this part only? 1 times you will decrease it. What is area of this part only? 2 is length and 2 is breadth. Area of middle part is equal to 2 multiply by 2, that is 4 meter square. Then this area, this 4 meter square, we will reduce from the total. Area of crossroad we have to find. Area of crossroad is equal to 240 plus 400 minus 4. 240 plus 400, 640 minus 4 is equal to 636 meter square. That is which? D option.